Pacific Domes in Ashland, Oregon makes customized domes in every size. With over 40 years experience, we have enhanced the event world with our novel geodesic dome, attracting large audiences. Our domes are made of architectural fabric, a great canvas for custom logos and printing. Custom door and window placements are available. The frames are made of engineered structural tubing. Our engineer is licensed in every state. We provide solutions for heating, cooling, and flooring. Give us an idea and we'll shoot you a rendering.